Hi, my name is Harriet Marie Youngblood. We are outdoors in Chicago, Illinois, area of White Castles along 35th and King Drive. I'm videotaping the birds in the dirt. As you can see them in the sunlight, they are just manifesting, having a nice, restful, happy, enjoyable time. It's good that I could see them. I love birds. God has blessed them. Do you see the birds? Let's talk bird talk. Hey, now they're flying to the bush, and they're on the gate. You see them? They're also still in the dirt, flapping their feathers about. It's a good day today.